Investing relies on our behavior and our action to get started. Even though it's something we should all be doing, it doesn't happen automatically. And for a lot of people, it can have quite a high initial hurdle to overcome just to get started. The uniqueness with investing is the fact that our behavior and action is both what we rely on to get started and what we need to overcome to keep going. Investing often pulls against our gut instinct. When bubbles are forming, it's the riskiest time to invest, but our instincts play on FOMO, or the fear of missing out, encouraging us to invest. There are logical things that we can do to set ourselves up for success. Things like identifying our goals, building plans that work towards those goals, choosing investments that are aligned with those goals, and setting up the automatic contributions needed to fund those goals. But the behavioral side of investing is anything but logical. And when it comes to our long-term success as investors, it doesn't really matter if every other aspect of what we're doing is perfect. If our behavior is working against us, it's impossible to have the success that we're looking for. Author Morgan Housel wrote in The Psychology of Money, "A genius who loses control of their emotions can be a financial disaster. The opposite is true. Ordinary folks with no financial education can be wealthy if they have a handful of behavioral skills that have nothing to do with formal measures of intelligence." So far, we've built a foundational understanding of investing, looked back so we can establish realistic expectations, and then looked forward to the importance of planning, all of which are really valuable to know, but completely useless if our behavior isn't right. That's because our behavior is really what dictates whether we are investors or not. If our behavior doesn't allow us to invest or sabotages our attempts to invest, it doesn't matter how much we know or what we're trying to do. But if our behavior is aligned with what's required to be a successful investor, it can allow us to implement every advantage available to us, bringing our goals closer to within reach.